Disclaimer, this is a sales video. Let's talk about online presenting. How many presentations are we seeing right now that are uninspiring and boring and sucking our energy? Let's change that because we haven't really thought this through. It's been over a year of living in the online world and it's not going away. So I want to give you a strategy. I want to give you best practices and tips all in one crash course, Presenting Passionately Online. It's very inexpensive. You buy it, you own it for life. And it's gonna give you everything that I've learned to set up for success, showing up, making an impact, owning the camera, creating an engagement strategy so people are actually involved, effective screen sharing, not all the time screen sharing, and ending with a bang. So I really hope to deliver you tons of value with this crash course. So check it out and let's up our game.